Today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. This is a segment on our channel where we talk about our recently completed installations, and this is one of our recent installs in Pune, and I hope you like what you're about to see. So when we first started working on this site, we received some really cool renders from the architect where they had really done an insane job of the place, and we didn't really have much place where we could come in and put our speakers. Normally in a living room setup like this, we would want to put in a home theater setup with probably in-wall speakers and surround speakers and Dolby Atmos speakers. But all of that would really get in the way of the space, considering the back wall is a full mirror, the front wall is complete marble, and the ceiling has straight lines through it, so our ceiling speakers would look like, again, pimples on the wall, and so would the front speakers. So we either wanted to create something in here that either completely got out of the way and was completely invisible, or something that really commanded its respect in the place. So we have out here the Sonus Faber Olympica 2 floor standing speakers in the Wenge finish, and to power those we have the Cambridge Audio Evo 150 integrated streaming amplifier. The Evo 150 features HDMI ARC, so you can get your TV sound out from the amplifier to the speakers, and it also features wireless streaming, which makes it really convenient for them to just hit AirPlay or Bluetooth and just get going with their music. And to add in a little bit of something extra and something spicy, out here we ended up putting a turntable from Project, the debut Carbon Evo, which is honestly one of the most coveted turntables out there. They're really popular and come in a bunch of different finishes, but to again get out of the way, we kept a black unit so that it matches with the interiors of this space. The bedroom for this place presented itself with its own set of challenges, but we were able to come up with, I think, a relatively simple solution, but it works very well. In the bedroom, we have the Sonos surround set with the Sonos Arc with the Sonos sub, and we also have the Sonos One SLs in the surround, which are wall mounted. The system delivers insanely nice, pleasant sound in this room, but honestly it was, I think, the greatest achievement of our lives to be able to install a Sonos Arc soundbar with a TV onto Onyx. If you're interested in purchasing any of the things you've seen out here, you can always check them out on avstore.in, and our team will always be happy to help you with any questions you have. And yeah, let's move on to the next bedroom. So out here in this bedroom, we have the Bang & Olufsen Beo soundstage. It's a Dolby Atmos soundbar that is honestly one of the coolest looking Dolby Atmos soundbars, considering how slim it is. You can't put a subwoofer with this soundbar, but it provides plentiful bass by itself. And again, mounting this on Onyx was a fun little challenge for our team, but all worth it in the end considering how it's come out. You can let us know what you think of this in the comment section below, and whether you would want to mount a soundbar or Onyx ever. So that's about it for this space, guys. Let us know what you think of it in the comment section below, whether you liked it, you didn't like it, whether you liked something or you didn't like something. And yeah, if you'd like to see more content like this, please make sure to subscribe to the channel, and yeah, make sure to leave a thumbs up if you liked watching this video, and I will see you guys later.